Pasta carbonara. An Italian pasta dish made with spaghetti, eggs, grated cheese, often pecorino romano or parmesan, pancetta, and black pepper. Absolutely. Pasta carbonara is a classic Italian dish known for its simplicity and rich flavors. Here's a fantastic recipe for making pasta carbonara. Ingredients: 1 pound spaghetti, or any pasta of your choice. 4 large eggs, at room temperature. 1 cup grated pecorino romano or parmesan cheese, plus extra for serving. 8 ounces pancetta or guanciale, diced. You can also use bacon as a substitute. 4 cloves garlic, minced. Freshly ground black pepper. Salt, optional, for the pasta water. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Instructions. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, in a mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs and grated cheese until well combined. Season with a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Set aside. In a large skillet or frying pan, cook the diced pancetta over medium heat until it turns crispy and golden brown, releasing its fat. If using bacon, cook until crispy but not overly browned. Remove excess fat if desired, leaving about 1–2 tablespoons in the pan. Add the minced garlic to the pan with the cooked pancetta or bacon. Sauté for a minute or until the garlic becomes fragrant. Remove the pan from the heat to avoid scrambling the eggs later on. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it but reserve about 1 cup of the pasta cooking water. Immediately transfer the hot drained pasta to the skillet with the pancetta and garlic. Toss the pasta in the skillet to combine with the pancetta and garlic, allowing the residual heat to cook the garlic further. Pour the egg and cheese mixture over the hot pasta, quickly tossing and stirring continuously. The heat from the pasta will cook the eggs, creating a creamy sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little bit of the reserved pasta water gradually while tossing until you achieve the desired creamy consistency. Serve the pasta carbonara hot, garnished with extra grated cheese, freshly ground black pepper, and chopped parsley if desired. Enjoy this classic and indulgent pasta carbonara with its creamy texture and delicious blend of flavors.